Hello, this is Matt, and I'm here with an unboxing from, you know who that is. It's Silver Soldier of Fortune. And let's see what he put in here. Now, this is a special package. It's one of two. He told me that he's going to send two separate packages. So, oh, there's a sticker. Holographic. Another one. I think my kids are going to get some stickers. Now, how cool is that? That is a mystery bag of coins and rounds. And there's one more item, which is a note. So last time I forgot to read the note, so we're going to start with that. He says, "Hey Matt, just want to tell you that you rock." Hey man, I agree. Just kidding. That's great. Thank you. This is package one of two. Please let me know what you think. Thank you for your support. Silver Soldier of Fortune. This is cool. I'm excited. Let's see what's in this little mystery bag. And since this is one of two, who knows where this is going to end up, right? So what I have sent to him were 9 different rounds. 3 were American Silver Eagle, so it looks like he's sending me an American Silver Eagle. I sent him 9 total toned ounces. So we have a Silver Eagle. That is cool. That's different. So it says Monex International. At first I was going to say SD Bullion, but that's not. It's different. So Monex. Oh wow, that is beautiful. A Canadian. Looks like an owl from 2015. I only have some of the real silver dollars. I don't have a lot of the Canadian bullion. Oh my goodness. 1985 Libertad. I feel like I don't even deserve to hold a Libertad anymore because I toned that other one. But no, this is beautiful. This is one of the older ones. So again, 1985. I'm going to have to ask, Silver Soldier of Fortune, what am I to do with all these rounds and coins? 1889, that's, an older, anything pre-1900 I think is cool, especially on the Morgans. So 1889 O. Wow, this is beautiful too. 2020 Republic of Korea. I need to learn about this. This looks like it's more of a premium piece. So if if this is a premium piece, I need to do some studying. He did warn me. He said he was going to send me a Kraken. And he did say that this one did get a little dinged up. So I think we're going to try to tone this Kraken. So how cool would that be? Again, mainly because it has a little ding on it. We're not damaging anything. Oh yeah, and a beautiful piece dollar, 1922. He showed this in one of his videos. It has great cartwheel, and it also shows some toning. This is pretty incredible. So I am extremely excited about that too. So how about that? That's a very good assortment. I can't ask for it. This would be like if you wanted the ideal starter pack. Think about this. You get a Silver Eagle, you get Canadian, Mexican, Korean, classic beauties, and then a supremely premium piece in the Kraken. So Silver Soldier of Fortune, I'm very excited to see what package 2 has. Thank you for sending this out. It is, post-Christmas, so we're kind of slow today, but this just pepped me up. I went and checked the mail, and I'm so excited that I went and checked. So thank you again. I'm excited for round 2, and we'll see you guys very soon.